Hello everyone. In this video, we will guide you around our business intelligence module. So in business intelligence module, we do have provided a sales order segment. What exactly it is, I will go ahead and describe you. Let us go to our business intelligence module. On your left hand side, you will see business intelligence module. Please click on this now. Once you will click on business intelligence module, you will come in the sales order tab. So what exactly is your sales order tab and how this report is helpful to you? Let me brief you. So whatever the order confirmation you are creating on the TranZact, you get the entire display or you get entire reporting like a business insight in our sales order tab. So as you can see that graphical representation or a pie chart representation, you can very well go ahead and check as per the region wise, the customer wise, product wise, category wise. Also, you can select that exactly how much duration data you want to see, the last 6 months or last 3 months. As per that, the records or the graph will get changed. So this is your sales order data. This displays your created order confirmation which are live. So you can very well go ahead and just check that in month how much order confirmation, how much amount order confirmation have been created. If I go ahead and just check region wise, so in which region my most of the order confirmation have been sent, you can see that how much was the total sales and month on month growth rate was of 7.24%. Now, coming on the very first, the cards which are displayed here, it provides you order due. So basically, suppose if any order is getting due today, it will provide you in the card order due in 7 days. In next coming 7 days, if any order is going to be due, it will provide you so that you may be able to go ahead and plan the dispatch of the order. Orders overdue, as because this particular account is for the dummy purpose, and obviously there are order confirmation which are created for the demo purpose and no invoice have been generated, so you can see the order in order overdue there are much more data, but on your profile once it will be live you may see different data. Once you will go in view details, you can see the entire reporting which you can very well go ahead and download and can use it in the Excel. So as you can see that this particular order is due in next 7 days, so I can go ahead and prepare for it. Now coming back to business intelligence, on your right hand side you can see the breakup as per the region wise, customer wise. You can go on the pie chart and once you will click on this, it will provide you the entire data as per the region. Now if I go back in my business intelligence, so this is how it will get displayed. I will go ahead and just select on all, and then after all the data will get displayed here. You can very well go ahead and check it in the detail as well. So this is how you can use a sales order in order to check that your pending order where you need to focus, and also how to go ahead and just increase your month on month growth rate. I hope this particular video will be helpful to you while checking your sales data in business intelligence. Have a good day ahead.